Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, then welcome. Why don't you hit that subscribe and stay a while. Today we had a tiny Temu haul, but I bought more Christmas gifts for people and it was just a small little haul, but I figured you guys would want to check it out with me. Let's get into it. So today we have not such a large haul, so it won't take us too long to get through this, but it is a couple gifts for people in my family and stuff that I really wanted to get for Christmas. So first thing we have here, and this is going to be for one of my stepsons for Christmas. He really likes old school Yoda. And it's a tin sign. Now, it's not coming bent again, so it's great. I can just wrap this right for Christmas. I really love the colors of this because even though it's mostly greens, it's so well done. He's gonna love that. Okay, and next is another tin sign, but it's actually for my husband. And this one is Dexter, and it says, "Blood never lies." My husband really likes this show. And I have seen it twice with him. It's not that bad of a show. It's just not one of my favorites, but it's a really good show too. He's gonna really like that. That's to go with his collection. And again, it didn't come bent, which is good. Okay, next is a poster, and this one's made out of canvas material, but this is for one of my stepsons, and it is a collage of Juice WRLD. If you don't know who he is a rapper, and apparently he's all the rage these days because all my kids love him. And there you have it. It's quite large, but it does have the different versions, I guess. And they did have it nice and rolled, and it is on a piece of foam, so it's not gonna get too crinkled. So that's really good. I don't know if I'm going to frame it before I put it to him for Christmas, or if I'm just gonna give it to him rolled up. I gotta get the direct measurements of which ones I got and then figure that out. But he's gonna really like that. Okay, and next is a kit for my stepdaughter for Christmas, and I thought this was a really great deal. I don't really do my nails as often as like with these kind of nails. I just paint my nails just with polish. But this comes with, it's I believe 554 pieces, and it has a whole bunch of different colors of nails that you can use, and it does come with the glue tabs to put them down. It also comes with emery boards, little poking sticks, and little butterfly stickers as well. And I thought this nail kit was perfect for my stepdaughter because she's just starting to get into doing her nails. So I figured that this would be the easiest for her to do them herself and change colors if she wanted to every day, or have mix match colors or whatever she wanted. So I thought that was going to be great for her. Okay, next is just a little, it's like almost like a stocking stuffer, but I thought that this was so cool. And this is going to be for my daughter-in-law. But it's a little Stanley. And it opens and fully seals. It's to carry like a chapstick, whatever you may need that's small, maybe your pills. But it's a little travel thing, and I do want to note that the clip that comes on it is very heavy duty. It is very heavy duty, and it does swivel. That's amazing. She's gonna love that. And it's so cute. I kind of want one for myself. Okay, and next is actually something for my oldest son. This is something that's apparently all of the rage. It's all over YouTube. It's all over all these apps and stuff. But it's a squishy hamster, but he's also fuzzy. And he comes with his own cheese. But he's like a squishy material. He's so cute. My son's gonna love that. That's like one of the top things on his list is this for some reason. But I mean, hey, if it's on the list, it's on the list. Okay, and next are some pins. These are two of the exact same pins. I got two of them because I got two people to buy for Christmas that really like Stitch and Jack Skellington. So I thought that these pins would be perfect for them. One is for my oldest son and one is for my daughter-in-law. I'm going to start buying my kids pins for them to collect as well because they're kind of jealous of my board and my husband's board. But the other pin is the exact same. I thought that was really cool, especially because they're collided into one. And it's a decent size too. Very nice. Okay, and next two items here. Last two, yep. The next two items here, I don't usually promote this kind of stuff on my channel, but because this is for Christmas, I'm gonna let it slide. But I am gonna be making a marijuana themed basket for somebody because they really enjoy it and that's what they wanted for Christmas. So and I figured I'd show you guys anyway. So I got this to go into the basket, and it is pre-rolled cones, but they're glass and they're flavored of mango. The person I got this for is really gonna like this. And then I also got this to go in the basket, and it's a 2-piece bracelet set, but it's marijuana leaves on the bracelet. But they also can join, and they're magnetic. I thought those were really pretty, and they're really nice quality. Oh, and they have little diamonds in between the beads. Those are very nice, and then they have the charm there. So I thought that was a really cute idea to put into the basket. And there you have our not so large Temu haul. What'd you think of the things that I got today? Did I do good? Do you think the people that I got them for is gonna like them for Christmas? Let me know, what was your favorite item? Leave a comment. And if you'd like to join up to Temu, make sure that you click the affiliate link that's in the description box of this video. If you're new to Temu, that means that you could get up to $100 off in coupons in your next order when you first sign up. So make sure that you click that link. I hope you guys all have a lovely day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.